about to get a glimpse, I hope, of ISS flying overhead, and if you look at the sky, it's rather pretty right now. Kind of nice. Now, I'm gonna take my
channel mode, frequency mode,
trusty boofwang, put it at 437-800, and wait for it to fly by. And I'm hoping we'll see it scoot along the sky here, because we've got relatively clear skies and it's sunset time. We'll probably see it. It'll be in the next 10 minutes or so. Hang tight. Moon's looking pretty good. And I think that's Venus down there. Let me show you a picture from last night, how it looked. Just waiting for ISS. That's just an airplane that just took off from the airport. All right, I'm looking roughly off into the northwestern sky where it's predicted to be, and I'm just going to have camera on because I don't want to miss it. And it's about a minute away from being right over the horizon. Radio's ready. There it is. I don't know if you can see it, but I can with my naked eye. Let's see if I can get in on it a little bit. Hard to see on camera, but I see it, and it's going to go just above. Oh, can you guys see it? I hope so, because I can. He's going to pass right between, there, you can see it there, right?
Charlie 7, Juliet, Charlie, Victor. I got Juliet, Charlie, Victor, the rest?
We'll go right between them. Look at that.
Hotel 6, India,
Oh,
Delta,
transit over the
Foxtrot,
moon.
Echo, Lima 09.
Oh, look at that.
5 GRW, Echo, Mike 13. IVF, Echo, Lima 09. Romeo,
Tomorrow night, it's going to pass a little bit more directly above me. Well, that's a pretty good sighting of it tonight, wouldn't you say? Not very much chatter from the hams tonight. Sorry for the shake, but I'm in a precarious position. Huh, well, that was pretty exciting. It went just below the moon. It almost transited the moon. Oh, hey, that helps a little bit. All right, I'm going to try it tomorrow night.
The next day.
Tonight, a little bit lighter out. It's earlier in the evening, and I'm going to be looking off into the northeastern sky rather than the south western sky like last night because it's actually over in the east. So when you see it, it'll be traveling as you look at it from the left to the right instead of the right to the left like last night. So let's take a look at the sky and see what we can get. I do have the radio going, 437.800. Let's keep an eye out. That's the west over there, kind of northwest, where the sun is setting, and which is northeast. One of the reasons why we're going to see it a little bit better tonight, even though it's daylight out, the sun is over there and the ISS will be here, and the sun will actually be reflecting right off of it. A little better viewing. Somebody just tried to make a connection. I'm not seeing it though. Yeah, that's just another airplane, way off in the distance. There's another airplane. See how easy it is to see that contrail? It's because where the sun is located. Yeah, that's not it. I don't believe it. I missed it. It's over Bogota right now. Way past me. Sorry. I can't believe I missed it. There'll be another time.
See you next time.